Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 14th of August 2024. I'll be going over my weekly predictions for Tesla. As usual, I'll be going over the monthly, weekly, and finally the daily charts. And then I'll switch over to the Excel sheet where we'll review last week's prediction and go over this one in more detail. But before getting into this video, it is important to make the disclaimer that all information here is completely educational, and therefore it is important to conduct your own analysis, whatever analysis that may be, to ensure that you're comfortable with the risk, reward, and trading style, since you may not be with mine. With that out of the way, we can get into this analysis. So, monthly charts we can see for Tesla. We can see clearly a downward sloping trend here. Well, recently it's become sideways, but overarchingly it's been downwards. RSI confirms this. We actually did have an MACD cross here, so that was a bullish signal. However, we can see this month right here, although it hasn't closed, not even close, but very, very bullish already. I mean, October has been extremely bullish, and we will see this when we get to the weekly charts for Tesla. But we actually do have a bullish signal from the MACD. However, that is typically a lag signal. We do need to keep in mind events that have happened, such as Tesla's announcement of the robo-taxi, which was one of the primary drivers of this huge drop that we can see here in this week. And again, RSI is kind of neutral here because the price is not able to break this resistance of 263.41. However, it did break that support of 233.16. But here we can see that I've just set up kind of a long and a short trade in case whichever one breaks, so it's easy to see where the market went. MACD, we can see, although it's still actually showing a bullish signal, we can see that it is slowing. The histogram gives us a clue about how the market is performing, although technically it does still say we are in a bullish environment, but that might soon change depending on how Tesla moves in the next week or two. Daily charts. Now, this is again very similar. We can see a lot of the movement last week just happened on this last day, which was largely driven by Elon Musk's announcement of robotaxi in 2026. But he did mention that he is usually optimistic and he's prone to missing deadlines. So that is one of the primary reasons why Tesla has crashed in this last day on very high volume. Again, compared it to the week. RSI clearly shows this as well. I mean, it's been going down in the short term. So for the last 2 weeks, it's been going down, confirming this price action that we're seeing. And the MACD actually gave us a cross here before the start of the previous week. So that would have been a good signal if you had taken it. With that out of the way, let's move to the Excel sheet. Now, last week we didn't have a trade for Tesla. Now we'll buy when it crosses 233.16 and sell when it falls below 210.51. With a target of 2% and a trailing stop loss of 1%. If neither is hit, then we will close on Friday. The weekly trend is up. The weekly trend is not really up. We couldn't call this up. I would probably say neutral because it does keep oscillating. And similarly, monthly trend as well. We're not exactly sure which direction the market is going as of now. But that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you next time.